Hi all, happy Monday. I hope you guys were able to enjoy the great weather this weekend. And again, on Thursday, it was a real pleasure to see everyone. I'm really glad I got to hear all voices. But let's get started. So it's a new unit, our second to last one. There's a bit of familiarity here. So Unit 14 is called Regional Conflicts. Uh, so a couple of housekeeping things. Well, not housekeeping, rather. Today's time you'll be able to review the key vocabulary. Don't worry about the pictures. I'll just read over terms. You'll be able to read and take note units for mini unit 14 uh, and prepare for tomorrow's reading check on 14. You'll also be able to redo mini units 12 and 13. Same uh, academics things. All right, so here are our vocab terms for this unit. Term one is apartheid. Term two is ethnic cleansing. Three is Deng Xiaoping. Four is solidarity. Five is recession. Six is Anwar Sadat. Seven is Infidada. Eight is Nelson Mandela. Nine is the four modernizations. And 10 is Golda Meir. And now on to our preview for the mini unit 14 reading. Uh, so we'll start off the story of India. Remember, it became independent in 1947. Now continue with its neighbors, Pakistan and Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Then we'll travel a bit west into the Middle East. We'll look at the ongoing conflict between Israel and its neighboring Arab states. And so efforts at peace slips away. That's all dealing with that Arab-Israeli conflict. Confrontations in the Middle East will go over some other ones. And we'll go across the Atlantic into Latin America, look at the conflict between dictators and democracy, with the one-party rule in Mexico. Remember from the Mexican Revolution activity, the Pure Party has firmed up control. Then move into South America, look at political economic disorder. Then we'll jump back across the Atlantic into Africa, and specifically look at South Africa and their story of apartheid as they struggle and with the struggle for democracy there. Then we'll move north into Europe. Again, there will be a Cold War flavor here, but some unique stories about what's going on in Poland and Hungary. From there, we'll go over into Germany and into southeastern Europe, into the breakup of Yugoslavia. Look at some conflicts there. Then back across to Asia into China. And you'll see that it ends here at the top of the fifth page. So while it says 5 pages, it's well, probably better to say a long 4. Again, I hope all is well and take care.